Kamusta mga kabasketbolista? Tinambakan ng Memphis Grizzlies ang Milwaukee Bucks 122-99. Top performer si Ja Morant sa likod ng kanyang 26 points, 10 rebounds, 14 assists at 1 steal. Giannis Antetokounmpo 37 points, 11 rebounds, 4 assists, 1 steal at 1 block. Wagi naman ang Houston Rockets kontra sa Dallas Mavericks 108-102. Top performer si Jalen Green sa likod ng kanyang 23 points, 12 rebounds, 4 assists, 1 steal at 1 block. Luka Doncic 29 points, 5 rebounds, 2 assists at 1 steal. Tinambakan din ng San Antonio Spurs ang Utah Jazz 106-88. Top performer si Victor Wembanyama sa likod ng kanyang 25 points, 9 rebounds, 7 assists, 5 steals at 5 blocks. Colin Sexton 16 points, 3 rebounds, 3 assists at 2 steals. Dinaig naman ng Phoenix Suns ang Los Angeles Clippers 125-119. Top performer si Devin Booker sa likod ng kanyang 40 points, 5 rebounds, 8 assists at 3 steals. James Harden 25 points, 10 rebounds, 13 assists, 2 steals at 2 blocks. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang team standings ng Eastern Conference as of November 1, 2024. Cleveland Cavaliers 5 wins, 0 loss. Boston Celtics 4 wins, 1 loss. Chicago Bulls 3 wins, 2 losses. Orlando Magic 3 wins, 2 losses. New York Knicks 2 wins, 2 losses. Miami Heat 2 wins, 2 losses. Washington Wizards 2 wins, 2 losses. Charlotte Hornets 2 wins, 2 losses. Atlanta Hawks 2 wins, 3 losses. Indiana Pacers 2 wins, 3 losses. Brooklyn Nets 2 wins, 3 losses. Philadelphia 76ers 1 win, 3 losses. Toronto Raptors 1 win, 4 losses. Milwaukee Bucks 1 win, 4 losses. Detroit Pistons 1 win, 4 losses. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto naman ang team standings ng Western Conference as of November 1, 2024. Oklahoma City Thunder 4 wins, 0 loss. Phoenix Suns 4 wins, 1 loss. Golden State Warriors 4 wins, 1 loss. Houston Rockets 3 wins, 2 losses. Los Angeles Lakers 3 wins, 2 losses. Dallas Mavericks 3 wins, 2 losses. Memphis Grizzlies 3 wins, 3 losses. Minnesota Timberwolves 2 wins, 2 losses. Sacramento Kings 2 wins, 2 losses. Denver Nuggets 2 wins, 2 losses. Portland Trail Blazers 2 wins, 3 losses. New Orleans Pelicans 2 wins, 3 losses. Los Angeles Clippers 2 wins, 3 losses. San Antonio Spurs 2 wins, 3 losses. Utah Jazz 0 win, 5 losses. Heto ang mga laro ngayong November 2, 2024 Philippine Time. Maglalaban ang Boston Celtics at Charlotte Hornets alas 7 ng umaga. Maglalaban din ang Orlando Magic at Cleveland Cavaliers alas 7 ng umaga. Maghaharap naman ang New York Knicks at Detroit Pistons alas 7 ng umaga. Kakalabanin naman ng Sacramento Kings ang Atlanta Hawks alas 7:30 ng umaga. Magtutos naman ang Chicago Bulls at Brooklyn Nets alas 7:30 ng umaga. Maglalaban naman ang Los Angeles Lakers at Toronto Raptors alas 7:30 ng umaga. Maglalaban din ang Indiana Pacers at New Orleans Pelicans alas 8 ng umaga. Maghaharap naman ang Denver Nuggets at Minnesota Timberwolves alas 9:30 ng umaga. Maghaharap din ang Oklahoma City at Portland Trail Blazers alas 10 ng umaga. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.